Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to check your region on Gmail. Keeping your account information up to date is essential for security and personalized services. Today, we will guide you through the steps to find out your region on Gmail. Step 1. Open Gmail on your Android device. Locate the Gmail app on your device and open it to access your inbox. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Step 3. Tap on Manage your Google account to access your account settings and information. Step 4. In the Google account settings, tap on Personal Info to view and edit your personal information. Step 5. Under the Addresses section, tap on Home to view the address associated with your account. Here you can find your region information. By following these simple steps, you can easily check your region on Gmail and ensure that your account information is accurate and up to date. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.